Hello guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide history suggestions on Snapchat. First of all, you have to go to open your Snapchat sorry application, and then click on Friends and look for a friend you want to hide the story. So I'm gonna hold this friend. Let's see. Okay, and you can see, and as you can see, you can finally see this the hide storage suggestion option. So you can click on that, and it finally you can finally hide the suggestion of her. So this is that's it, guys. This is the way you can hide a history. So uh, thank you for watching this video. Please leave me your like and subscribe, and see you next one, guys.